It started here, in the gas-rich foothills of southern Alberta, just 7 years ago. Compton Petroleum began with a clear vision, focused on long life reserves, long-term growth, and profitability. Today, Compton is working harder and growing larger, transforming our focused vision into shareholder value. Compton Petroleum Corporation is a Calgary-based public company. The common shares trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the symbol CMT and is included in the TSE 300 Composite Index. We explore, develop, and produce natural gas liquids, and crude oil in the Western Canadian Sedimentary Basin.
We created Compton Petroleum in the fall of 1993 with a commitment to become a top-tier oil and gas producer.
Now, we're a strong intermediate company, and we're continuing to grow. We have a sound strategy and significant assets. But most importantly, we've built a team at Compton. A team that's experienced and driven to succeed. Compton's strategy is based on a repeatable full-cycle model directed at long-term profitable growth through exploration, development, and strategic acquisitions. The cycle starts with investment. Using our knowledge of geological and geophysical concepts, we acquire the assets that fuel our cycle. A large land base, key infrastructure, and operatorship.
We invest in assets that offer potential for significant long-term growth. As well, these assets generate stable cash flow to fund our extensive exploration program.
And that's the next stage, exploration. Compton aims at deeper natural gas targets with bigger reserve pools that will produce at strong rates for years to come. Our average well depth has historically been twice as deep as a typical Alberta shallow gas well. And even with our deeper targets, our drilling success rate is 70%.
We have a very large, high-potential undeveloped land base. Our operational focus since 1999 has really emphasized growth through the drill bit. We have a 3-year inventory of prospects, all internally generated. We're taking down over 100 wells a year.
The cycle continues with development. In 2000, 60 new wells were brought on production, which contributed to our strong production growth. A majority of Compton's production is processed through our company-controlled infrastructure.
Control and operatorship of our facilities is key to our strategy.
We can gauge the timing, level, and direction of our expenditures, giving us a competitive advantage in our core areas. Compton's repeatable full-cycle strategy continues to deliver profits throughout the commodity price cycle. The results speak for themselves. In 2000, Compton realized record revenue, cash flow, and earnings, and a net asset value of $625 million. Our financial success gives us the means and the flexibility to expand our full cycle of activities and to sustain long-term profitable growth. Compton concentrates on 4 core areas in Alberta, each in various stages of our full-cycle model. Southern Alberta is our major growth area. On more than 850 sections of land, we control operatorship and infrastructure with access to processing facilities. Southern Alberta offers multi-zone potential for natural gas exploration, exploitation, and development. Big Array in west central Alberta is our main oil-producing area. High-quality, light oil production provides cash flow for other growth activities. Big Array also provides new drilling opportunities. and we plan to expand this area through exploration and acquisition. The Peace River Arch in north-central Alberta is a developing core area for Compton. There are many opportunities here, from low-risk exploitation to secondary recovery to pure exploration. Our fourth core area is Rainbow Zama in northwest Alberta, which we entered in 1996 with the purchase of a substantial land base and seismic data. The future at Rainbow Zama is promising. This area is one of the most underexplored natural gas regions in Alberta, and Compton will focus on developing its prospects in this area. One repeatable full-cycle strategy. 4 core areas. And 6 years of impressive share price performance. Our full-cycle strategy works. Our growth is sustainable. And we've got the best people in the business. We're excited about our future and the opportunity to continue delivering excellent value to our shareholders.